Do you have the perfect space for a bookshelf but can't seem to find the perfect bookshelf? Here's one style that's super easy to build and set up just about anywhere. Start with some better pine boards. Ours are 1x12. Lightly sand all sides with fine grit block or paper. For this project, we're painting all the wood with 2 coats of chalk paint and a wax finish. Collect spindles or chair legs from a home building store. We have 24 spindles in 2 sizes, 8 holding up each shelf. These are repurposed from a similar bookshelf that was a different size. There are also 8 bun feet and 8 finials for the top. For hardware, you can use threaded rods and T-nuts or simply hanger bolts. Using a slightly smaller bit than the bolt, drill holes in the ends of the spindles. Then hammer T-nuts into the holes and screw the bolt in using pliers if needed. Next, clamp 2 or more boards together and measure carefully where the spindles will go. Drill the holes, making sure the drill is directly perpendicular to the board. Then, start assembling, putting the feet under the bottom shelf first, then screwing the spindles on top of the board. Repeat the pattern with each shelf and top it off with the finials. The best thing about this bookshelf, it's lightweight and portable. Just take it apart, move it anywhere, and accessorize all over again.